Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are fine. Today I am introducing silk satin blouses. Luxury silk elegance blouses. This luxury silk blouse is the perfect blend of sophistication and comfort, crafted from high quality soft and smooth silk fabric. It offers a lightweight and feel with a natural sheen that enhance your overall look. The blouse features a flattering for delicate stitching and a graceful drape that adds elegance to any outfit, whether paired with the formal trousers, skirts, or traditional wear. This sleek blouses elevate your style, effortlessly ideal for office wear, evening event, or special occasion. It brings timeless beauty and refined charm to your wardrobe. Classic shimmer silk blouses designed with premium silk material. This design shimmer blouses radiates elegance and gives a smooth texture and subtle polished appearance. It comfortable fit allow easy movement while maintaining a stylish silhouette. Perfect for both formal and semi-formal occasion. This blouse can be styled with jeans, skirts, or tailored pants. The lightweight and breathable silk ensure all day comfort, making it a versatile and must-have piece in your collection. Premium soft silk satin blouses. Designed with premium silk material, this classic shimmer blouses radiates elegance and grace. The smooth texture and subtle shine of the fabric create a sophisticated and polished appearance. Its comfortable fit allow easy movement while maintaining a stylish silhouette. Perfect for both formal and semi-formal occasion. This blouse can be styled with jeans, skirts, or tailored pants. The lightweight and breathable silk ensure all-day comfort, making it a versatile must-have piece in your collection. Premium soft silk satin blouses. This premium soft silk satin blouses are designed for women who appreciate elegance and quality. The silk is smooth fabric, feel gentle against the skin while offering glossy finish that enhances its luxurious appeal. With its modern design and defined detailing, this blouse complements varied style from casual chic to formal application. It drapes beautifully on the body, creating a flattering and feminine look perfect for parties, businesses, meetings, or dinner parties. These silk blouses add a touch of classy to unique symbols. Elegant minimalistic silk satin blouses. This elegant minimalistic silk satin blouses embody simplicity and sophistication, made from high quality silk fabric. It offers a soft, breathable, and lightweight feel that ensures comfort throughout the day. This clean and refined design make it easy to style different outfit, whether for professional settings or casual outings. The smooth texture, subtle shine of fabric enhance the premium look, making it a timeless wardrobe essential for every fashion conscious moment. Timeless glamour silk blouses. Step into timeless glamour. Beautifully crafted silk blouses. The luxury silk fabric give it a soft silky touch while reflecting a gentle sheen that enhance your natural elegance. Designed with a flattering cut and graceful flow, this blouse adds sophistication to any look, whether it's worn with a formal blazers, a traditional dupatta, or stylish buttons. It seamlessly blends comfort and style, ideal for special occasions, comfort and celebration or everyday elegance. This silk blouse is a perfect addition to your wardrobe. Graceful flow silk blouses. This graceful flow silk blouse is designed for bring effortless elegance to your wardrobe. Made from luxurious high quality silk, it offers soft, smooth texture with a subtle luminous sheen that enhances your feminine charm. The fabric drapes beautifully over the body, creating a flattering and sophisticated silhouette. Whether styled with the tailored trousers, sleek skirts, or traditional attire, this blouse adds refinement and classy to any look. Perfect for formal event, office wear, or evening gathering. It is timeless piece that blends comfort with high-end fashion. Silk and dream luxury blouses. Experience on the beauty of pure silk with these silk and dreamy blouses. Crafted from premium silk fabric, it feels incredibly soft against the skin while offering naturally glossy finish. The blouse is tailored perfection with fine stitching and elegant detailing that enhance its overall appearance. Lightweight and breathable nature make it comfortable for all-day wear. Whether for a dinner, professional meeting, or festive celebration, this silk blouse adds your sophistication, confident, and effortless glamour. Modern chic silk blouses. This modern chic silk blouse is a perfect fusion of contemporary style and classic elegance. Made from smooth, high-quality silk, it features sleek and polished look that complements any fashion aesthetic. Lightweight fabric allow easy movement while maintaining a structured and stylish fit. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both casual and outings and formal occasion, paired with jeans and trendy look or blazer with a modern, more refined appearance. This blouse must have staple for every occasion. Forward women. Radiant pearl silk blouses shine with elegance in radiant pearl silk blouses designed for women who love sophistication and grace. The luxurious silk fabric has a soft silky texture and a delicate shimmer that adds touch of glamour to your outfit. Its tailored fit enhances your natural shape while ensuring comfort and breathability, ideal for wedding parties or office wear or special occasion. This blouse celebrates your style with its timeless beauty and refined charm, a truly stunning piece that never go out of fashion. Deluxe smooth silk satin blouses. This deluxe smooth silk satin blouse is a symbol of luxury and elegance, Crafted from silk, it offers silky soft feel with a beautiful glossy finish that enhances its high-end feel. The blouse features stylish and flattering design that suits different body types. Its lightweight and breathable nature makes it comfortable for long hours of wear, whether paired with formal trousers, skirts, or traditional wear. These silk blouses bring sophistication and class to any symbols, making it a perfect addition to your wardrobe. Eternal glow silk blouses tap into elegance with the eternal glow silk blouses designed to radiate sophistication made from soft, high-quality silk. Its delicate sheen reflects light gracefully creating a timeless, luxurious appearance. This blouse drapes effortlessly, offering a flattering fit that enhances your natural elegance, perfect for office meeting, evening gathering, or special celebration. It pairs beautifully with skirts, trousers, or ethnic assembles. Lightweight and breathable, it combines comfort with haute couture styles. Sophisticated charm silk blouses. This sophisticated charm silk blouse is a wardrobe essential for women who value class and style. Its silky smooth fabric glides gently over the skin while offering a natural sheen that elevates every outfit. The blouse features refined stitching and a flattering cut that enhance the feminine form, ideal for both formal and casual occasion. It can be paired with the tailored trousers, skirts, or elegant ethnic looks. Timeless in design, this blouse adds subtle yet unmistakable charm to your collection. Lux Security silk blouses experience the quiet elegance of Lux Security silk blouses crafted from high-grade silk that feels soft and luxurious against the skin. The smooth fabric reflects a gentle shine, adding a sophisticated to any symbols with a flowing silhouette and delicate tailoring. It enhances your natural posture and poise, perfect for social events, office function, or evening outing. This blouse combines comfort and style, timeless luxury in one versatile piece. Opulent silk satin blouses bring elegance to your every moment with the opulent silk satin blouses. Made from premium silk with a satin finish, it features subtle shimmer that catches the light beautifully. The lightweight, breathable fabric ensures already comfort, while its sleek cut offers a flattering, polished appearance. Whether styled with a formal skirts, trousers, or ethnic wear, this blouse adds sophistication and charm, perfect for wedding, celebration, or upscale office settings. It embodies refined taste and luxury. Classic elegant silk blouses, timeless and versatile. This classic elegant silk blouse is designed to elevate any outfit. Crafted from high-quality silk fabric, it offers smooth, soft texture and delicate shine that highlight its premium quality. The blouse features a flattering silhouette with subtle tailoring detail for refined look, ideal for formal and semi-formal occasion. It pairs effortlessly with skirts, pants, or ethnic symbols. A wardrobe staple for modern women who seeking style, comfort, and elegance in one piece. Radiance drapes silk blouses. These Radiance drapes silk blouses designed for those who love effortless elegance. Its high-grade silk fabric drapes beautifully, creating a fluid, gracefully silhouette. The subtle sheen of the fabric catches the light delicately, giving a polished, sophisticated look perfect for office wear, evening events, or festive celebrations. This blouse combines comfort and style seamlessly, paired with tailored trousers, elegant skirts, or traditional attire for a refined and chic appearance. Velvet touch silk blouses. Enjoy the soft luxury of the velvet touch silk blouses crafted from premium silk, silky smooth finish. Its gentle sheen adds sophistication while the lightweight breathable fabric ensures all the comfort. The blouse features a flattering cut that enhances every figure, making it suitable for formal occasion or festive occasions. Pair with trousers, skirts, or ethnic wear for a polished and stylish look. This blouse is a perfect combination of elegance, comfort, and timeless fashion. Pure Elegance silk blouses designed for women who love understanding sophistication. The Pure Elegance silk blouses are soft, breathable, and luxurious. Smooth silk fabric features a subtle sheen that adds a height of glamour to the every outfit with a classic cut and flowing dip. It enhances your natural appearance effortlessly, ideal for every occasion. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Love.